Hello, my name is Alejandro Ramirez Limas. I am the Solutions Architect for the Solicitation Management System sponsored by the Washington State Department of Commerce. In this video, we will show you how to do applicants response management. From the Coordinator's Portal drop-down menu, select RFX Management. From the RFX Management page, select the funding application for which you want to see submissions and select Go to Submitted Responses. Once the Submitted Responses page loads, you will see any and all applicants that have submitted applications. In this case, you have one applicant, their business name is Amazon Employees, and the applicant who submitted is Admin L2. We can see that scoring has not been completed for this application, and we can see when this application was submitted. The first thing that we're going to check is the statement of intent. This RFX required a statement of intent and the applicant submitted it. So we're going to go through, select the drop-down menu, and select View Response Details. From the Response Details page, we're able to see the funding application information, the applicant's info, the business information, as well as the attachment. If you press on the attachment, you will be able to see the file that was submitted. If you open this attachment, it will take you to the information that had been submitted for this application. Once you complete a check-in on the statement of intent, you can go back to the Coordinator's Portal and RFX Management, and you can open any other responses by going back to Submitted Responses, and then checking any other items from other businesses. Since there are no other businesses that apply for this application, then we're going to go through and check the application submitted by Amazon Employees for Climate Justice. According to their submissions, they submitted everything on time. So we are going to check their application now. Press on the drop-down arrow, and from here, we're going to select View Response and Scoring Details. The response details will indicate what has been submitted for this application, which you can see the response type here. Again, this is the Amazon's Employees for Climate Justice submission. And we see here that they have submitted their letter of submittal, exhibits, technical proposal, management proposal. And if we go to page 2, we'll see more attachments that have been submitted. So on page 2 of the application documents, we see that they submitted their cost proposal. If we scroll down on the scoring details, we see that this application has not been scored yet. So when the application becomes scored, you will be able to see all the information that the reviewer has added to this application, including any scores on the left and any notes on the right. So for project approach and methodology, we would see the score here, and we would see any notes from the approver here. This is the same for the management proposal and the cost proposal scores. Once you completed viewing the application that has been submitted, you can assign it for review. To assign applications for review, you simply go to the RFX Management page. Here, you select the application that you're working on, and you select Go to Submitted Responses. And from the submitted responses, you choose Assign to Reviewer. Once you choose the Assign to Reviewer, you will be able to look up the reviewer. So in this case, we're going to assign it to Test Reviewer 1. And here, we're going to select the date and time when this is due. So we're going to say that this will be due on October 7th. And for the time, we're going to say that this will be due by 4 p.m. So here we just push 4, and here we can push 00. Now this means that this application will be due on October 7 by 4 p.m. Press submit. And now the reviewer will receive an email to let them know that there is an application that has been assigned to them. And as you can see here, you can see that the reviewer has been assigned. For the statement of intent, there is no assignment requirement. So assignments will only be available for applications. These same steps should be completed for any and all businesses that applied, which will allow you, the coordinator, to assign the application to the reviewers that will be taking care of reviewing the applications submitted. And these are the steps required to view applications and assign them to reviewers. Thank you for watching.